just some wind noise. I'm turning my head to the side so it won't be so bad. You can look at the corn. Anyway, as you see, we're on the e-bike. We are heading to Beaver Dam Creek at the culvert in the woods. So when we get a little closer, I'll check back in, all right? Corn is looking good. And we have arrived to the path. It has been 49 days since we've been to Beaver Dam Creek. So that's a month and a half, a little bit over. We've gotten quite a bit of rain recently, so I said, I better come check on that chicken wire here at the culvert. It's probably okay, but what is that in the road? Oh, that's a snake. Look at that snake. What kind of snake is that? Woo! Oh no! Already, you guys! I know y'all saw that snake. Oh boy. I see them from a distance. Oh boy. Like I said, we've had quite a bit of rain, so that's gonna bring the snakes out for sure. And it's warm. It's 89 degrees. The humidity is I think it's at 54%. Let me turn this off. I don't know how long we'll be here. I hope not too long. I should get my gloves out my bag. But this is, oh. So that rotten tree has fallen. And all of the wood is right there at the culvert. But it don't look like the water's too high. Oh no, who? Wait a minute. Somebody moved the chicken wire. Probably because it was stopping up the water. But if the beavers was here, that would have given them access. What is going on here, you guys? I don't quite understand this. Where did all of this wood come from? Who did that? Huh. Like I said, with all the rain that we got, I'm pretty sure it probably flushed a lot of stuff from upstream. But this wood here, what's that? I hear something in the woods. This wood here is strange. Yeah, man, I'm tempted to leave it just like this. Because there's no way that chicken wire removed itself. No way. I don't see it down here. I don't feel it down here in the water. And this wood, that right there, like I said, that's still a mystery to me, where that came from. I'm gonna leave it just like that, you guys. I know. But if somebody want to move the chicken wire, then we'll let them be responsible for this here. Like I said, that rotten tree right there broke off, and it's down in there. Let's go look at the other side. Let's go look at the other side where the snake went to. Oh boy. It looked sort of like a black snake, but I don't know. The water's not high over there. Let's walk in, see how things are looking. Of course, after we leave here, we're gonna go downstream over there in the Father Beaver Dam area. This isn't backed up, so, oh, that was a frog. Yeah, the water's not backed up down there, so I don't think I'm not gonna spend any time going downstream Mother Beaver Dam #1 and all of those dams down that way. I'm not gonna spend any time going down there. I'm just going to, I might just go ahead and leave now. I might just leave now. Oh yeah, and the corn is growed up. I could probably ride the e-bike that way, but to the left, I don't know how much space is in between the corn and the woods. Oh, that's plenty of space. But I bet you the way the water is, that water's puddled up down there. I'm not gonna spend any time going upstream. We're gonna leave here and we're gonna head to the Father Beaver Dam area, you guys. We're gonna hop back on the e-bike and bounce from out of here. Turn it back on. Power it up. We need it on 5. And we are off. Alrighty, we're getting closer. Wow, the corn is looking good, man. I sure enough can smell it too. As it's pollinating, it's got a strong smell. And here we are at our first entrance. Beaver Dam above the lodge entrance. Let me make sure I turn this bike off. We have been, okay, so from Beaver Dam at the culvert in the woods, 2.8 miles to here. Okay, cool beans. I forgot to check it when we had got over there to the culvert in the woods. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and turn that off. I am hot. It is hot. Just riding a bike, it is hot. And I see this, I'm looking at this corn right here. It does not have any ears on it. And that's because, oh, wait a minute, let me see. Yeah, there's no ears on that. Why is there no ears? That's weird. Maybe because it's being shaded. This down here has one, or maybe it's too young. I don't know. Nah, man, the tassel is coming out, so that should be a little tiny ear somewhere. Okay, there it is. There it is. Okay, I'm about to say, man, what's going on here? All that other corn I passed, I saw the silk. But anyway, this ain't a farm video. Let's head in, you guys. Okay. Oh man, I see spider web. This is my first time seeing a banana spider in a while. Oh boy. Yes, I gotta watch out for them. Oh, I feel something on my arm. 49. Oh, boy, they all over the place. They small, they babies, they young. Oh my goodness, I see a bunch of web right there. Oh, that's probably about 3 spiders, man. No, wow, that's more than 3. That was about 6 of them. What was I saying? It's been 49 days. Oh my goodness. Oh, come on. No. Here we go. It's getting to be too many of them. It's getting to be way too many, you guys. There's 3 right there together. Oh boy. That'll make some noise. So the water seems to be flowing pretty good. Look at that. It is flowing, huh? Not backed up. I was looking at how well it was flowing at the creek, or should I say at the culvert right down from my house, and it had a good flow there. So, I mean, like literally, even though it's, I say my house is probably about 1 point, no, it's not a full mile. I say probably about 3/4 of a mile from here. Yeah, I say about 3/4 of a mile at the most. And the fact that we got it flowing here is keeping it flowing up there. So y'all know that Briar Patch Dam is up here. We'll walk up here and take a peep. That den always gets me. Always gets me. Looking good so far, you guys. Awesome. Awesome. Team Terrell for the win here at Briar Patch Dam. It was right here. And that water is flowing on around the bend, so I ain't even gonna walk up that way. All right. Let's go on downstream. Check on Beaver Dam in the middle. Even though I'm very sure there's nothing there. And I'm almost willing to bet nothing is going on at Father Beaver Dam either. I mean, y'all see how, I've never seen the water flowing this strong. And for it to be flowing this strong, if Father Beaver Dam was rebuilt, there would be a lot of water backed up right here. A lot of water. I think we're gonna get a break today, you guys. But not from the spiders. My goodness gracious. The spiders are on duty. They are on duty. It's getting a little darker this way. I gotta keep my eyes peeled. Oh, good gracious. Banana spiders galore. Galore. tripping. Yep, here we are at Beaver Dam in the middle. Oh, wait a minute. Look at this tree here. That tree fell across there. I wasn't here last time. I wasn't across there like that last time is what I meant to say. Looking good, you guys. Y'all hear that frog? I think that's a frog. I just heard something in the water. I don't know if something jumped in the water or what. I'm crazy to be going towards it. Okay, what the devil? Spider webs. But wait a minute, the water looks sort of weird right here. What is it? Oh, spider webs. There's something in the water there. Is that a beaver? I wonder if there's a den right there. Oh, there's a baby beaver. Oh my goodness, you guys. There's a baby beaver. Oh my God. Look at that, you guys. Now that was cute. I'm getting my phone out so I can zoom in. That was cute. I ain't gonna lie. Look. I knew I heard something. So that means that there are some beavers here, but they haven't been building. And this den, this lodge, it swam over here. This is the lodge. Oh my goodness, the spiders. This is the lodge. Yeah, the water's not high this way, so Father Beaver Dam is definitely not built. That little beaver. That was a little tiny one. Must have went in the lodge. But anyway. We're gonna continue on down. Okay. I don't want to see a baby alligator. That's what I don't want to see. I don't want to see an alligator, period. I see a deer's been crossing here. Looks like they slid, just like I'm sliding trying to climb up that. Oh, this is gonna be soft. Ugh. Wow, I need to cut this, man. This is just getting worse and worse. Oh, my backpack is getting hung up. I'm surprised there wasn't no spider webs through there. Okay, whew. About to walk through that. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh God! Ow! Ow! It's on my hand. It's on my arm. Oh, the web. Lord. Oh boy, I'm crazy. Oh wow. Whew. All over the place. I see you. I see you. Oh gosh, my neck! Oh, oh my goodness. Man. Oh my goodness, man. I know a lot of people say, if you don't like spiders, what you doing in the woods? I can hear people now. And we are at Father Beaver Dam. Oh. Oh, wait a minute. Snakes, are you out here? Looks like it's flowing right on, you guys. You can tell that the water was high because it was washing over that island right there. See how the weeds are laid over and there's leaves in it? Something been walking out there. I wonder if that was that old bunny, that dangerous bunny. Brother D-Dark Matter, Die-Dark Matter. You're a dangerous bunny rabbit been out here, I think. Oh man, anyway, it's looking good, you guys. Looking good. Well, we're gonna get on out of here, man. I'm tired of carrying this backpack, that's one thing for sure. Usually by now, I would have had to sit it down. But my goodness, my shoulders, woo, my shoulders are burning. And for that case, I'm not gonna walk back through the woods. I was gonna walk back through the woods so maybe we see that little beaver again, but I gotta make it back to the e-bike. We're gonna just walk along the field, alongside the corn. I need a drink of water. Whew. Oh, I just walked in a spider web. Caught my eyes. And I didn't even holler. Yeah. All right, let me put my guard back up. Because we hadn't been through here. And I'm pretty sure, there go one. Oh boy, am I gonna make it? Maybe if I drink some of the water, that'll lighten the weight in my backpack. Oh boy. We made it out, but we gotta walk all the way down there. I wonder what did that. Maybe the deer bit it off. Good tall corn. Yeah, Team Terrell has victory in Beaver Dam Creek. victory in Beaver Dam Creek. But you know what? We have got to get to the Mother Beaver Dam #2 area. It's been, oh wow. It's probably been about 3 months now. Wow, this corn is really, 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 really tall. Praise the Lord. See, this corn here got the little ears there. That's why I was like, wait a minute, where's the corn at? On them down there. The outside row. Man, wow. Wow, man, that's probably 8.5 feet tall there. Y'all got it, excuse me, I'm just amazed because the last few years, man, we have been lacking rain on the farm and the corn has not looked this good in years, man, for real. But anyway, not gonna wear your patience any longer. Team Beaver, yeah, what you gotta say? Stephen Beaver, who paid us a visit. Oh, that was super cool. Anyway, hope that you guys have enjoyed watching. Smash that like button for us. That's right, smash the like button for us because Team Terrell got victory. Oh man, that's very rare, ain't it? But anyway, throw a comment in the comment section. Let me know what's on your mind. Jesus Christ is Lord, to the glory of God the Father. You guys stay blessed. You guys keep encouraged. And as always, we'll see you in the next one.